Jane's running late for the third time this week. By now, I'm sure she's running out of excuses. But why didn't her phone charge? Our friend Max here has no idea where he's going. And he's got a fare to pick up in 5 minutes ago. Should it really take all that wiggling just to get a good connection? Poor Jane. Like you, we hate it when the gadgets we rely on let us down. So we got a bunch of our smart people to do some smart things in a smart lab to get to the bottom of it. The bottom of the iPhone, to be exact. And PurePort was the result. It's the unique multi-tool that cleans your iPhones and iPads to keep them connecting flawlessly. They discovered the exposed pins on Apple's stylish Lightning connector were prone to contamination from nasties like hair, oil on your skin, and worst of all, lint. They tested every remedy they could find, but the results were, let's say, less than ideal. So they embarked on a journey to create the ultimate solution. PurePort. Countless prototypes, tireless nights, intense testing, and many refinements later, they combined the best approaches into PurePort's 7 special powers. I mean tools. The first 4 tools make it easy and safe to remove all types of debris from your Lightning port, even clearing those hard-to-reach places and repairing any damage to the delicate electrical contacts. The next 2 tools are for your cables and accessories. They not only clean, but revive your faulty cables, reducing oxide damage and restoring connectivity. Lastly, the perfect mini brush to remove lint from your phone's speakers, microphone, and switches. Oh, and a microfiber cloth to keep your iPhone shiny and clean. All this makes PurePort the complete maintenance and cleaning tool for your Apple devices and accessories. Don't have any connection problems right now? Cleaning with PurePort a couple times a year will prevent issues before they even start. Ingenious. But to complete the PurePort promise, we still need one thing. You. We already got our people ready to push the button on tooling, production, packaging, and all that other complicated manufacturing stuff to make sure we get these wonderful little devices to you. Now let's try this again. So get on board, back this project, share this video. Be like Jane. Don't be like Max. Let us help make sure that your valuable iPhone or iPad works perfectly outside and in.